Hi, so I'm Mrs. Lydiard, and I'm going to be doing the 5-1 practice buddy for independent practice on the Pearson and Vision math. So our first question, they are asking us to find how many times 9 is going to go into 54. So we're taking this original problem, and we are ignoring zeros. So now I just have how many times can 9 go into 54. If you don't know your basic multiplication and division facts, you can use another strategy like a grouping model. You can use repeated subtraction. You can use a number line, number chart. But since I know 9 times 6 equals 54, I can just put a 6 in that box. Okay, our next question is a little bit different here. They haven't started asking us to ignore zeros yet. But the first thing I'm going to do is cross off 1 0 on that side and just leave an easy digit there to work with. And since I crossed out 1 0 over here, I need 1 0 over here. So now I'm just going to focus on my digits, and I'll come back to the zeros later. My main digits are going to be 3 and 21. So I need to figure out how many times 3 can go into 21. That's going to give me 7. And since I still have 1 0 left over here, that means I need to put 1 0 over here, which would give me an answer of 70. Okay, my next problem is a little bit different again. This time my blank is in the middle of the problem. So again, I'm just going to cross out the same amount of zeros on both sides. So this way I only have a 7 left to deal with. If I crossed out 2 over here, I need to cross out 2 over here. Okay, and I'm going to be working with 63, and I need to remember I have this 1 0 left. So then I can do 63 divided by 7, and this is another one. If you don't know your basic multiplication and division facts, you can use a strategy to help you find this answer. That 63 divided by 7 equals 9. Since I have 1 0 left over here, I need to plug that in at the end of my answer to give me 90. So 63,000 divided by 90 equals 700. Okay, the last problem I'm going to do today is a word problem. A milk shark delivers 388 dozen gallons of milk to stores in one day. Write and solve an equation to find N, the number of gallons of milk the milk shark delivers in one day. So it says use the operation symbols in the math palette as needed. Type an expression. Do not perform the calculation. So I need the expression, and it says to solve the equation up here, but I can't just type in the number. I need to do the whole expression. So to find my answer for this one, I'm taking 388, and since dozen means 12, I'm going to multiply 388 by 12. So that'll give me the gallons of milk per day. Okay, so this is just from our kind of review from the topic from a few weeks ago. So we have 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 1 is 17. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, I need a placeholder 0. Sorry, this is getting into the blue part here. 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 8 is 8, and 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, 6 plus 0, 6. 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry my 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Carry the 1. And 1 plus 3 is 4. So for my answer, I would need to put in 388 times 12 equals 4,656.